how to install WordPress locally on your computer using Xampp. So I'll be showing you everything you need to know from downloading WordPress onto your computer and also how to run it locally using an Xampp server. So the first thing we're going to do is open up an internet browser and you need to type in Xampp and then press enter. You can then click on this top website and then you'll need to go and select your operating system. So mine's Windows. I'm going to click on this button here. Now it should begin downloading straight away. If it doesn't, you can click this button and then you can just press download latest version. You could then click on your downloads folder in the top right hand side and go and open up Xampp. You can then simply go through the setup steps to install this onto your computer. So I'm just going to press next. Click on next again, click on next, and then select next. It should then begin installing. This should only take a few minutes. Now while this is installing, we can also go and install WordPress. So open up an internet browser, then type in WordPress, download, and press enter. You can then click on this top website, wordpress.org, and then you'll need to scroll down and click on download WordPress. Now that should begin downloading in your downloads folder. Once WordPress is finished downloading, you can open up the file explorer on your computer and click on the downloads folder. You can then right click on the WordPress zip file, click on extract all, and then go and press extract. Now once this is finished extracting, you can go and close out of these folders and then you'll just need to wait for Xampp to finish installing. Now during this process, you may get a couple of pop-ups on your computer. Just make sure to select allow. Once it's finished, check the box next to start the control panel and click on finish. Now once you see this control panel, we just need to go and click on start next to Apache and also MySQL as well. Once again, make sure to click on allow next to any notifications that pop up on your computer. So all we need to do now is open up our file explorer. You can then click on your downloads folder and you'll see this WordPress folder that we just extracted. So all you need to do is double click on this and you'll see a folder in here called WordPress. Right click on this, click on cut. Then come over to the left hand side and click on your C drive, double click on Xampp, double click on htdocs folder, and then right click somewhere in this blank space and click on paste. Now once you've done this, you can come back over to your control panel and you need to click on admin next to MySQL. You can then click on new from the left hand side. You then need to click on database name and go and type in WordPress and then select create. You can now see on the left hand side we have this WordPress database. So now go and open up a new tab on your computer, type in localhost /WordPress and press enter. We can now go through the steps to install WordPress. I'm going to press continue and it's going to say we'll need the database name, username and password. I'll show you how to get this in just a second. For now we can click on let's go. Now for the database name you need to go and type in WordPress, and that's because if you come back over to PHP you can see our database is called WordPress. For the username type in the word root. For the password we're going to leave this blank and then you can just go and press submit. You can then click on run the installation. Now you can go and give your WordPress website a title. Now don't worry too much about this information as we can always change it later. For the username we're going to type in root and then for the password also call this root. You can then type in your email address in the field here, click on confirm use of weak password and press install WordPress. You can then click on login. You can then go and type in root and then root for the password and press enter. And you'll see this will log you in to your WordPress website. And from your dashboard, you can begin customizing this all from the local host on your computer. So you can see if I click on WordPress and select visit site, here is what our current localhost website looks like. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.